This is the TCL C6K. It's a mid-range TV, it's a 2025 model, it's one of the best value for money options you can get right now. What is the problem with this TV? Well, in some countries, including mine, it's offered as the replacement or improvement of the C755 from last year. But the C6K is the improvement of the C655 Pro from last year. Thus, you need to understand that the C755 is better compared to the C6K in the most important things. The first one will be the dimming zones. The C755 will have more dimming zones. And the second one will be the amounts of brightness. This means that the dark scenes performance will be better on the C755, showing less amount of the blooming effect. And here I need you to understand that TCL in its websites put the larger amount of dimming zones of a model, but this amount is related to the larger size of this TV. For example, the 55-inch size of the C6K will have 180 dimming zones, while the larger size will have up to 512 dimming zones. You need to understand that. Of course, that also applies to the C755. Hence, if in your country you can get the C755, is of course a better option, no matter if it's a last year's model. But if in your country you can get the C6K for a very lower price compared to the C755, go ahead, go for it. In general terms, as I said from the beginning, it's one of the best value for money options you can get in this year. That's it. I remind you guys, you can support my channel by making some purchases through the links I put on the description and in the first comment. Also hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching and until next time.